Neo in the dark, my baby Neo. Flying high, pulsing its lights in the night sky. With my new 3D printed drone mods, oh so sleek. Neo soaring high. Camera flashes, people filming on. Snapping vids for TikTok, ain't it sweet? Baby Neo in the night sky.
So it goes under there, look. Hooks there. And on the top then. Yep. Then off.
Glimpses of rooftops, twinkling lights, mystery soaring through the night. People below in shock delight. Is it the government? An alien sight. Baby Neo in the night sky. Kissing Neo's face, shooting stars, clouds embrace. Epic views, a nighttime chase. In the skies we find our space. Neo's glow in the dark mods, a bright display. Super light guiding our way. From the ground it's all a play. Aliens? Nah, just us at bay. See lights in the sky. Don't scream, don't run, don't start to cry. It's just me and Neo flying high in the night under the star's eye.